Good morning all of you. Now today we are going to solve some examples. Okay, already on page number some examples are given and they are solved also, but I will show you how step by step how they are solved. Okay, so we will see as you see in the videos here, one example is there. Mahendra and Virat are sitting at a distance of 1 meter from each other. Their masses are 75 kg and 80 kg respectively. What is the gravitational force between them? Now it is given also. Yes, now I will show you how to solve this. Okay, now consider Mahendra's mass to be m1. Okay, what is that? 75 kg. Then Virat mass m2, that is 80 kg. Now as we know that the gravitation value of G is 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11 nm square upon kg square. Okay, now according to Newton's law, F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square, and here radius is also given, r is equal to 1 meter. Okay, now put the values here. Only what G is nothing but 6.67 into 10 raised to minus 11. Okay, now I will not put this unit. Now into what is m1 now? m1 is 75 into what is m2? 80 upon r square. R square would put this whole square. Okay, now see here. Now what we are going now, we will multiply this. So when we multiply this 6.67 into 75, now we will multiply this much only, 6.67 into 75 into 80 into 10 raised to minus 11 as it is, upon 1 is into 1 is 1 only. Okay, now, or I will write 1 into 1 in this manner. Now after simplifying this 6.67 75 into 80 is, we are getting the value 40020 into 10 raised to minus 11. Okay, and then 1 into 1 is nothing but 1. Okay, now see in the textbooks, no, the answer is given as 4.002 into 10 raised to minus 7. Okay, in the book. So how the 10 raised to, now we got in from this we got this value, that 40020 into 10 raised to minus 11, but in the textbook it is given minus 7. Okay, so how it is coming, you see. For example, I want to write it as 4. Now see, 1 2 3 4 digits are there, so I am putting point here. So you see here 4 digits are there, so can I write this as 10 raised to 4? This one, this I will write 4. If I want to write point here, so I will write 4.0020, that 4 digits are there, no? So before 4 digit, so I will write 10 raised to 4 into 10 raised to minus 11 as it is. Okay, now as you know that, see here 4.002 into, now see here minus 11 plus 4, what is the answer? That is minus 7. 11 minus 4 is 7. So hence the answer. So this is the answer. Okay. Okay. Now students, we will solve the example 2, second example. Now in the that example, in the above example, that is first example, assuming that the bench on which Mahendra is sitting is frictionless. So starting with zero velocity. So zero velocity means u is equal to 0. Now what will be the Mahendra's velocity of motion towards Virat after 1 second? So time is also given to you, 1 second. So I will write here. Okay, I will show you now. See how I have taken now. What we have to find here? We have to find V. Okay, so you see here the given force is given already. Force in the first example we have calculated, force is equal to 4.002 into 10 raised to minus 7 Newton. Now Mahindra's mass is m is equal to 75 kg. Now we want to find v. U is 0 and t we have got 1 second. Okay, now what is actually, for example, now we can't find directly v, so one formula is that we have to find acceleration first. Acceleration, so a is equal to f upon m, and that is 4.002 into 10 raised to minus 7 upon, what is m? M is 75 kg, or we'll write. Okay, now see, when I just simplify this 4.002 upon 75, so I got this answer 0.0533 into 10 raised to minus 7. Okay, but you see in the book now it is given 10 raised to minus 9. So how 10 raised to minus 9 came? See here, what I in the first example we have, if we are shifting this point towards left side, so what we are doing, we are increasing, or we are adding plus 2, or for example 10 raised to 2. But we are what we are doing now, what we are doing here in the book, it is given answer in this manner. I am shifting a point in this manner. For example 0.0533 into 10 raised to minus 9. So actually what happened now, what I have done, I have shifted point towards the right side. So actually what I have done, I have increased the plus 2, means I have written in this manner. See here how I have done, 0.05.3 3 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 7 is already here in the. So now if you to calculate this 10 raised to minus 2 plus 10 raised to minus 7, so we get 5.33 into 10 raised to minus 9. So what is this now? This is acceleration we got. Okay, the value of acceleration. Now actually what we want to find, we want to find v. So what is the formula for v? V is equal to u plus at. Now put the value here, u is 0 plus a. What is a? 5.34 into 10 raised to minus 9 into 1, this time. Okay, so we get 5.34 into 10 raised to. Okay, let's see here, we got this 5.34 into 10 raised to minus meter per second. So velocity is 5.34 10 raised to minus 9 meter per second. I think you have understood all this. Okay, so now answer is Mahindra's velocity after 1 second will be 5.34 into 10 raised to minus 9 meter per second. So this is the required answer. Thank you.